Hey everybody, this is a quick screencast on how to use Loom, the new screencasting software that we have available. So I have added Loom as a Google Chrome extension, and so there's a link to this extension, but if you need to find it, you can actually go to the App Store. So I just clicked on Apps, go to the Web Store, and then go ahead and search for Loom. Then you'll find the extension. You can add that extension to Chrome. Once you have it added, you will click on this, and then it will ask you what you want to do. And so you want to record. And so you're going to click Start Recording, and it is going to ask you to choose which screen you want to record. And so you're going to choose that. And then it's going to do the quick countdown. My video isn't showing because I am actually recording the video on a different service. So anyway, here I am. I'm doing my video. This is the things I want you to look at. I work in Edina Public Schools. I'm amazing. And then I check the box to finish the recording. Check mark to finish recording. Now here's where we have a difference from Screencast-O-Matic. This is actually stored in the Loom service, and so if you haven't created an account yet, you need to create an account and verify with your Edina school email address that you are an education professional, and they'll give this to you for free. And then from here in their service, you could do nothing. You could copy this link, and then you could make that link available in Seesaw or Schoology to have students access it. You can choose your privacy, and so you can choose to have it an unlisted phone number, only people with the link, or publicly available. And then you can have some basic editing, and so there's some trimming at the beginning and the end. And I'm not actually going to highlight this call to action or custom thumbnail at the moment because you're probably not going to use those. But the other thing that I wanted to show you is the download button. And so you can download this video out of Loom. If you choose not to use it in the Loom service, it will download to your desktop. So I'm going to go show in folder. And now here it is. Here's my resulting video. And then I'm going to click over to, I'll go to my Google Drive. And from there, that's not what I wanted. Watch that craziness. I want this one. Oh, I'm going back to my Google Drive. So I'm going to show this in the folder, and I'm going to take this file and I'm going to drag it into my Google Drive. So if I drag this right here, then it's going to upload the video, and now that video is available in my Google Drive just like Screencast-O-Matic. And so that's a little bit of a different method to manage that this year, but that is how you can get those up to your Google Drive. In addition to that, you may have set up your YouTube channel. And so if you go to YouTube, you can choose the Create button in the upper right-hand corner, upload a video. And the advantage of using YouTube is designed to be a video service. And so as a video service, it will play more consistently than Google Drive might. We've had some issues in Google Drive with videos airing out and saying that they've been viewed too many times. Not something we see regularly, but something to be aware of. So again, I just chose to show in the Finder, and there's my video. I'm going to click and drag this over to YouTube, and look at that, it's going to upload. Then I've got the details, the title, a description if I want. Again, there's some other things. You can create playlists, and so if it goes into a certain topic, math, language arts, social studies, science, you can add it that way. Even though this is for kids, you want to say, no, this is not made for kids, because it adds some weird restrictions if you do. And then you can click next. After you click next, you can choose any video elements. We're not using any video elements at the moment, but you certainly can investigate that if you would like. And then next again, and you get to the visibility. You can choose public. That means anyone can search and find your video. Or if you prefer, you can choose unlisted. Unlisted means it's a little more private than than public. You do not want to use private because that means they have to have a direct invitation to the video, and that will be a pain in your butt, so don't do that. You could schedule. I don't know who works ahead enough to be able to schedule these things, but if you wanted to, you certainly could do that. And then we click save, and now that video is being uploaded and processed to my YouTube account. So now I have that video created in Loom, uploaded to my Google Drive, and uploaded to YouTube to make it easy for me to share that video. And really what you have is 3 different platforms for sharing it. You've got Loom, which again, you can just share this link right here. Or like I said, I uploaded it to Google Drive to make it available that way, and also to YouTube. So hopefully that little 6-minute long tutorial will help you start to use Loom as a tool this year.